Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. So I wanted to introduce you to a new idea that we've come up with at Medical Gear Outfitters, my company, and it's a subscription box. Yes, I completely understand that subscription boxes are not a new idea, but they're mostly tactical, survival, things like that. I don't know of anybody doing a first aid, strictly a first aid subscription box. Maybe they are, I don't know, but I'm gonna try it. So what we're going to do is October is going to be our first month. So we're going to take orders the entire month of October for our subscription box. Then, hopefully, the first week of November, we will ship out October's kits. And I will make a video telling you what October's kits were all about. Then November, we will take orders. That first week of December, we'll ship them out. Then so on and so on and so on. Hopefully you get the idea. So we did 3 levels of subscription box. We did level 1, which we called it Boo Boo. And it's a $30 subscription. Means you pay $30, you get it one time, see if you like it, done. You can also sign up for a monthly. It's going to reoccurring charge-ish thing on your credit card. And you save 10% on that. So kind of a way of helping you and helping me at the same time. So then you have a middle. And we think that we call that prepared-ish. Level 2. And that's $60. And then we did Civilian Medical, which is a $100 subscription box. My idea is that you would sign up for this over a year's time, and I'm going to help you build your medical preparedness over a year. So I'm not going to duplicate anything, hopefully, not on purpose, over the next year. It may be a tourniquet. It may be a cap, maybe a soft T, maybe a TX2, TX3. It may be whatever tourniquet. Maybe we send you a cat this month, and in January we send you a TX3 tourniquet. So you have 2 tourniquets. We're going to send you boxes of butterfly bandages, scissors, maybe it's X shears, maybe it's just regular EMT shears. So my idea is to put it on a sheet and go, all right, how can I help someone build their medical preparedness, whether it be for the home, shop, vehicle, whatever, how can I build that? It's probably going to be a lot of the stuff that we sell here at Medical Gear Outfitters, but I also want to pull in some stuff that we don't sell. Maybe it's a quick reference card to trauma. Maybe it's a quick reference card to first aid. Maybe it's another product that we found that we really like that we're just not going to carry right now, but we'll put that in there. So it's going to be some different stuff. Maybe one month and one of the boxes will include a SkinnyMedic hat with a free patch. Kind of help give you some SkinnyMedic swag there. So when I introduced this to the SkinnyMedic Facebook group, there was a lot of talk about having a theme around the boxes. And to be completely honest with you, I haven't gotten that organized with it, come up with a theme. So right now, we just have the 3 different levels. And I'm not going to try my best not to repeat anything over the next year. And hopefully I can help build up your medical preparedness. So if you have any questions, comment below. I will try to answer them. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the ones that have already started signing up for the subscription box. You guys are awesome. So I'll put a link down below where you can check out more information. Like I said, if you have any questions, comment the question down below and I will try my best to answer it. So I appreciate the support. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.